Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Padlet. Padlet is an online bulletin board that makes collaboration a breeze. It's great for engagement and collaboration. Notes can be organized on a digital wall, and it's easily accessible from nearly any web browser. Padlet is free to use. You can create up to 3 Padlets. You can have up to 25 megabytes of file uploads, and each Padlet can have unlimited posts. So now I'm going to show you how to create a Padlet and how to share it out with others. Okay, you'll want to go to Padlet.com, and from here you're going to click Make a Padlet, and here are the templates you can start with. You have a wall, a stream, a grid, a shelf. You can use your Padlet as a back channel. You can add content to points on a map. You can have it so that your notes are scattered, and you can even create a timeline. But I'm going to go ahead and select the wall. And by default, it puts in a background and it puts in a title, but I'm going to show you how you can edit and customize this Padlet. So over here on the right, this is where we're going to start customizing. So here you can add in your title, and then you can add a description here. After you've done that, you can also select an icon. And when you do that, it adds the icon right up here in the top left next to your title and your description. Okay, I'm going to hit the back button. Moving on down, this is showing you what the address to this Padlet is. And it has its unique code. Going on down, this section is the appearance, where you can change your wallpaper. And you can choose from solid colors, gradients, textures, and patterns, or pictures. And so for this one, I'm just going to select a solid color. Once you do that, you can just hit the back arrow to go back, hit the back arrow again, and you're here back at the beginning. So after the wallpaper, then you can choose a color scheme if you want light color scheme or a dark color scheme. You can choose different types of fonts here. And then in this section, you can turn this on if you want the author's name to be shown. If you want those that are posting to remain anonymous, you would leave this turned off. Post positions are here. If you want to allow viewers to comment, you can turn that on. You can also add reactions. So if you click here, you can choose if others can like a post, vote, star, or actually give it a grade. All right, and going on down, you can turn this on if you would like to filter comments before they're posted, and you can also turn this on to filter out any profanity. Once you're done here, you can click Next, and then it lets you know that it's ready. Your Padlet is now ready, so you can begin posting. So to start posting, you would just double-click anywhere in the Padlet. Here you can add a title. And then here's where you would add your text. The icons below this, you can actually upload files to your notes. You can add links. You can Google for images, GIFs, a YouTube video. You can do that there. You can add an image. You can just take a picture of yourself from your device. And if you click the 3 dots here, this will give you more options on different items that you can add to your Padlet post. If you make a mistake, you can, if you want to delete it, you can just hit the trash can, it goes away, double click to start another one. Now, how can you share this with others? What you can do is up at the top right hand corner, you're going to click on Share. You can invite members by their email address, or the easier way to do that is to just copy the link here and send users the link to your Padlet and share it that way. You can also share out a QR code. You can also embed this into a website, and there's other options here on how you can share that. Going back up and looking at this section on privacy, right now your Padlet is secret, so no one will be able to find it. The only way that folks will be able to get to it is by you sharing the link with them. If you want to change that privacy, you can do that right here. You can choose to make it private, password protected, have it for just hidden from the public, but only certain people that you've shared it with can get to it, or you can make it public. Anyone can see and find it. By default, it's set to anyone that it's shared with can write on it. That means they can view and add post. If you are ever going to share this out with already having some posts on it and you only want your visitors to be able to read, you would choose this here. And then the other option is to give them edit access, which means that they would be able to edit and approve others' posts. But by default, though, it is set to this selection here where they can only write, they can only edit, they can only view and add posts, and they aren't able to edit other users' posts.